Hey, it's Broccolilly here. Today we're going to be learning about beetroot. Fact, beetroot has white and purple roots at the bottom, see? I like eating beetroot because it makes my tongue go purple. We've got some little beetroot seedlings and so we're going to put them in pots. Great places to grow beetroot are pots and great big beds. I'm really happy with these, and pots are very good for growing with beetroot. Woo! When you're planting little plants, you have to be gentle like this. Now we're going to dig a little hole and put the beetroot in it. Press down firmly around the side of the plant. Beetroot needs to be planted about 4 inches apart. I'm going to do mine in zigzags. Right, let's plant some beetroot. These two have grown too close together, so we had to separate them to different places and so they can grow like that and not like that. Let's just put that one in there. Now what do you think we've got to do? Water them! Come and look where we're going to put some in our raised bed. I'm going to finish off planting these, and then later in the year we're going to see how they're getting on. Bye bye from Broccolilly. Make sure to subscribe.